Hello, here is example or problem 9 in chapter 3, or it may not be the same problem in your book, but here's a data set and we want to find the mode. So just highlight a few cells without clicking anything, start typing equal mode point or dot mult, which is for multi-mode, open parentheses, and include the entire array of data. Then at this point, hold down the control and the shift keys together, and with those two keys down, control and shift together down, click enter. And you can see that there are two modes, 156 and 127. And that's your multimodal array. Thank you.